This is Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom. Today we're planting a tomato plant in a pot, and we're going to grow this on our patio. So I'm going to take you through the steps of putting this plant in the pot and getting it ready to grow. So why don't you follow along? Okay, the first thing we need to do is prepare our pot for a tomato plant. And you'll notice that I've knocked out the drain holes in the bottom of our pot already. And that's so as we water the plant, it'll allow the excess water to drain through and it won't flood our plant and harm it. What I like to do is take a piece of landscape fabric and just cut a small piece and cover those holes in the bottom. That way when it does drain out, we don't have dirt coming out of the bottom of the pot and getting onto the patio block. The other trick I like to use is take some of these empty water bottles and lay them in the bottom of our pot, and that way it doesn't use quite so much dirt. Some people put rocks in the bottom to help it drain, but the rocks make it awfully heavy when you need to move it, so I like to put those in there, and that works in lieu of putting rocks in the bottom of our pot. Okay, the next step is to take our potting mix and we're going to open that and add it to our pot. I like Miracle-Gro brand. It doesn't necessarily have to be that brand. I find we get less bugs out of Miracle-Gro for some reason. So we'll fill that up about half full. And then I'm going to water that just a little bit. So we wet our soil before we actually put our tomato down in there. Kind of helps it have a moist start rather than start out with dry dirt underneath. And the way I do this is I just split that pot right up the side, and that'll help it release. And we take the pot off and look at those healthy roots, and we're going to set that right here in the middle of our pot. What we also want to do is tear off a few of those small leaves right at the bottom, because they're not necessary, and more roots will grow with those leaves pulled off on the bottom. So we've done that, and now I'm just going to use my hands and work some of this dirt around the perimeter of the pot here. Help hold that plant in place. You notice I'm not planting it right up full on the top of the pot. And really that serves two purposes. We're doing a bush early grow. The reason it's not filled up to the edge, for one thing, it takes a lot of soil, but mostly it's because if you fill it up to the edge, every time you water, the water's going to splash dirt out on the patio. And nobody likes old dirty water running around on the patio. Here's another one of them small leaves down at the bottom. We'll just take that off. And this soil is going to give our plant support until it can get more leaves established. So we'll press that down and get it in there nice and snug. As you can see, so our plant's in place. And the other thing we'll do now is give our plant a little more water and wash some of that dirt off the plant that we got on it. Make sure our pot's clean. Last step is to add a support stake to our plant. I picked these up at Lowe's. I think they ran about $9.99, and it's a fiberglass support stake. But I like using that just to tie our tomato plant off. You can of course use a wooden stake or whatever. This is nice and thin, but it has a lot of strength. If our plant happens to grow even taller, then we can add another stake to it just by taping a second stake on it like this. It won't be too heavy and lean over. If you try that with wood, sometimes it's a bit much. So that's really it. We've got our pot established. You'll remember we put landscape fabric in the bottom, a couple of empty bottles, take up some space and help the water drain through. And then we put our potting mix in there, pre-watered it, then placed our plant in, and then packed the potting soil around again. Gave it another good watering to clean things up, and added our tomato stake. So that's looks like we're ready to go. Another job well done. This has been Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom. We're planting a tomato for our patio today. I'm glad you came along. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll keep those videos coming. We'll see you next time.